Could a cheap egg and toilet paper face mask be the ultimate way to remove blackheads? Let's find out. I've been dealing with blackheads since I'm about 10. My nose and chin have always been the main victims. I tried a few remedies with little success, but lately I've been curious about a list of videos in which girls mummify themselves with egg whites, toilet or towel paper, and boom, blackheads come out. These videos have mostly positive comments, people saying that it leaves their skin refreshed and smooth, others swearing that it gets rid of the acne, blackheads included. I also found out that because eggs are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, this mask could really smooth out your skin, tighten pores, and add elasticity, which helps you avoid wrinkles. On the dark side, I found a tiny amount of negative comments claiming this mask turned their face red and super dried. Great. There's also fear of getting salmonella because of the raw eggs, but an expert on Self magazine says that the chances of getting it through this mask are unlikely. Alright, self-care junkie, it's time to cook this potion. We need 2 egg whites, tissue or towel paper, and a makeup brush. I'm adding my 2 eggs to a bowl. I'm removing the egg yolks with an eggshell to minimize the mess that I'm probably gonna make. Obviously, I'm eating these egg yolks for breakfast because I cannot stand food waste, and I'm also hungry either way. In the meantime, I'm cleaning my brush with a vinegar and water solution. Just stir and rinse for about a minute and let it dry. While the brush is drying, I like to get my skin ready. I begin by washing my face with a gentle foaming facial soap, and I exfoliate my skin with a facial brush. Next, I'm using a steamer to open up my pores, but you can do the same with a hot shower, a warm wet towel, or even steam from boiling water in a pot. Alright, we got our egg whites, brush, towel paper. As always, I'm taking things to a spa level by lighting up our own and my absolute favorite incense of all time, the sweet and super relaxing Enu Palo Santo. Links below. I got everything. Sip of water, lip balm, clean brush, ready to apply. This actually feels so good. Yes. I'm targeting my chin and nose, and I'm trying to avoid the area below my eyes because it is a pretty sensitive area, but of course my clumsiness got in the way. This should be getting hot really soon. We got our tissue paper right here, and the girls on the video talk about making sure you divide the paper in 2. Let me try this. This is so exciting. Here, all you're doing is cutting paper to fit specific areas of your face, sticking them to the egg on your skin, and adding more egg to keep everything in place. Oh God, this is why I didn't pass my art class. It's actually pretty easy to do. I'm honestly finding this quite entertaining. We're now done. All that's left to do is stare at the camera in the most creepy way and wait for it to dry. This is definitely dry. I cheated a little bit. I had a blow drying session to speed things up. Let's get removing this. Is cool, is weird, and oh my God, the things that are inside of this mask. I don't know if this mask works, but all I know is that I'm definitely doing this again. I do have to show you something under the microscope. Take a look. Well, look at everything it pulled. This is what we got on the nose. I want to take a look at my chin. Girl, this is wild. Isn't this crazy? All right, now I just want to go ahead and take a look under the microscopes. Let's go for the nose because that's where I had the most issues. You can see that a lot of them were removed, but look, we still have all of this. So let's take a look at the chin. We still have a lot of blackheads. I have to say my skin feels really soft, like it's been rejuvenated it's been given a second chance. The next day, I wake up to redness and bumps on my skin. It appears to be a skin irritation, which I could have avoided had I done what's known as a patch test. So the patch test consists of applying any mask you wish to try to the back of your hand, ear, or chin. You wait 15 minutes, and if your skin gets irritated, then you know you shouldn't move forward with that product or recipe. Now, this irritation is unique to me. It doesn't mean that if you apply it, you're going to get it, but it may happen. It just has to do with different skin types, different people, different problems. At the same time, the mask didn't really remove a lot of blackheads, which makes me wonder, I don't know if you have any idea as to why it didn't work as well for me. Did I do something, or is this simply how this mask works? Overall, I'm giving this mask 2 stars because look, it was fun, easy to apply, it was also affordable, but it didn't really work, or it did a pretty poor job, and at the same time, you're running some pretty crazy health risk. If you're allergic to eggs, or if you get salmonella, you'll be in big trouble. So not exactly my kind of hack. Snatch our Palo Santo incense and anything else in this video on the links below. Don't forget to try something healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Besos!